From a human sees is the atmosphere of the brain. A few size. The images of a tiny room, expansive, minuscule, perspective. Everything we own, our child, the school we went to, our home, work, family, country, every detail we have ever seen, all came to be. In the first step in seeing, the eye pass through the cornea. Light-sensitive convert the light into electrical to be image that comes from the retina. But the brain, signals received from each eye visual about the object one perceives. Brain images each eye to create the single three-dimensional image you see. Chooses out the shapes and colors and determines the distance in. This entire process takes place in less than a tenth of a second. Looking at so far, we are face to face with the most important fact. The eye is composed of countless different sections, including cornea, iris, pupils, eyelids, the retina to the brain, and countless other structures. All of them can work together only as a whole. In order for the eye, all must be present at the same time, complete and perfect integration. This operation renders completely irrelevant the claim of their state today through a coincidental mutations. Such a perfect organism cannot have by any power other than creation. Almighty who creates in such great in one verse revealed is the originator on something. He just says to it, be, it is.